Okay, I'm going to film you instead of taking pictures. So just go ahead and do whatever you want with them. 6 months old.
Chaz, come here. Chaz, come. Let's go. Chaz, come. Go, Chaz. Fix your back. Fix your back. Good boy, friend. Good boy.
Nice, Ashley.
Very good.
Boy, is he gorgeous.
Good boy.
He just really is gorgeous.
Here. Come here. Good. Fix your back. Fix your front. Good.
How do you train him like that?
Ready? Watch. Go get it. Ready? Go get it. Go, go, go. Good boy. Come here, Chaz. Come here. What are you doing?
Here, I'm going to come over like the judge. Do an up and back for me.
Trot, trot. Let's go. Boy. Fred. Yeah. Fred. Come on. Good boy. Yay.
Okay, keep working him.
Okay, come here. Chaz. Oh, what's that? Good boy.
Okay, let's do his mouth.
Boy. Stay.
Open his mouth like I'm a judge. Nice front. Beautiful drop. Gorgeous head. Nice. Nice. Nice.
Open.
Big old full mouth.
Look, Chaz. Good boy. Look, I got cookies. Very good.
Gorgeous front. Balance. Nice top line.
Good. Yay, that was very good. Come here. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Come back in front of me and do a free bait. He has very nice movement, and I was watching him in the yard today.
Fixed your back. Okay, Fred. Good boy. Stay.
6 months old, showing like a special.
Boy.
Ashley, you're something.